Yesterday I did a bit of building. And yeah, as you can see, Troy helped me out, and I'm going to be showing his initial reaction of drones, I guess. I got a spare pair of goggles here so he can watch, and let's go see how it goes.
Alright, go Pi. Okay, so the first thing you do is just go on, and then this.
Yeah, you do this to just sort of go up and down.
Trying to make it rotate.
Well, yeah, I guess that's it. It was really nice having Troy to help me build, and he's actually a beginner looking to get into droning himself, so yeah, I'm going to be helping him out on a build soon too, and yeah, otherwise, I really like this drone. I think the new motors are pretty nice. They give me a bit more power, and yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks. Okay. This is the slowest race ever. I'm like slowly passing you.